Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to take a full-page screenshot on your iPhone. This feature is useful when you want to capture an entire web page or a long document, and it's available directly within iOS without needing any third-party apps. Let's start by opening the web page or document that you want to screenshot. For this example, I'm going to use Safari, but this will work with other apps like Mail or Notes as well. Now, take a regular screenshot by pressing the side button and the volume up button at the same time if you have a newer iPhone, or the side button and home button if you have an older model. After taking the screenshot, a small thumbnail will appear in the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on the thumbnail before it disappears. You'll now see the screenshot editing tools. At the top of the screen, you'll notice two tabs: Screen and Full Page. By default, it's on the Screen tab, which captures only what's visible on your screen. Tap on the Full Page tab, and now you'll see a preview of the entire page that's available to be saved. You can scroll through the entire page preview to see how much has been captured. If you need to adjust anything, you can do that using the crop tool to select a specific part of the full page. Once you're happy with the screenshot, tap Done in the top left corner. Then choose Save to Photo or Save PDF to Files. You'll be asked where you want to save the screenshot. You can choose a folder in depending on where you prefer to keep your files. After selecting your save location, tap Save, and that's it. Your full-page screenshot is now saved as a PDF, and you can access it anytime from the Files app. And that's how you take full-page screenshots on your iPhone. This method is perfect for capturing entire web pages, long emails, or documents that go beyond what's visible on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.